Hey, what's going on there, YouTube? It's Rocky from Rockside RC hitting you guys with another video today. We're going to do another unboxing today. So we have the Axial SCX24 Basecamp today. So I'm doing an unboxing for the wife today. You know, the wife, she has a new truck. She wanted this truck. I already have a few SCX24s, but she wanted, babe, did you see the new color? Did you see the new color, babe? I'm like, yeah, I seen it. So you already know I had to order the pink one for the wife. So here we are. We're gonna do the unboxing for the wife because she doesn't want to do it. Not yet. One day we'll get her back on the screen. We'll get her back. We're gonna get her back on the screen, and we'll do an unboxing one day with her. One day. All right. So, but this is it. This is the brand new Basecamp from Axial. This is the SCX24. All right, let's get this thing open. And just to show you guys, they did come out with 3 different colors. They do have the blue color here. They also, of course, have that white color. And like I said, the pink color. Okay. And these are ready to run. So it comes with the batteries, it comes with the charger, it comes with the USB charger. All right, let's see what's in the box. So here's the truck. Looks really good. Beautiful job on the truck. Definitely reminds me of my first 10 scale Basecamp. I had the blue version, but nice. They did a beautiful job, of course. Let's see, what is this, Velcro? Okay, so we have Velcro underneath to hold the body down. You do have that swivel mount in the rear, which is cool. They, of course, give us the 2S battery. Still same shocks. They do give us a different ESC. This is the version 2 ESC from Spectrum. Steering servo on the axle, which isn't bad. They still come with the worm gears, front and rear. So it definitely helps with the ascent and descent. The gears work very well. They do come with the Wild Peak MT tires from Falcon. These are licensed wheels. Okay, they provide batteries, a few tools, the manual, and usually under this is usually the remote. Okay, there you go. Okay, this is their remote. This is the Spectrum SLT2. Not a bad remote. You can actually prop it that way, or you can prop it that way, you know, depending on how you prefer, basically. For the convenience, you have both. This is their USB charger that they provide also, so we can charge the 2S battery that they provide. So we're planning on taking this truck out. We just put the batteries in the remote, right? And batteries are charged up for the actual truck, so we're good to go. We're ready for that. We're almost ready. We're gonna actually take it down to my local hobby shop and just give it a good test run for you guys and show you guys how the new Basecamp performs, right? Might as well. I believe we have one more thing to show you guys. This is the wheel choice we went with. I think it looks really good. I think it's gonna complement the body. So we're gonna go with that. So let's throw these wheels on. There you go.
I got up.
Oh, good job, man.
I gotta go that way because if I go the other way. Oh.
Yeah, you're so good.
Help me.
Uh-oh.
Wait.
No.
This keeps getting stuck. I gotta get bigger tires so it doesn't get stuck.
Yeah, I think we're gonna. That's the next thing we gotta do is upgrade the tires.
Upgrade like a lot of stuff.
And then I'm gonna put a metal bar on the front so the front weighs itself down a little bit. Yeah. So remember,
It's easy for your car because like you got like smaller tires.
Hopefully, we'll
might.
see. It's a little
Over there. See if you can go through that.
Like you get stuck on the rock.
Maybe. There you go.
Oh, it's better because you have like a higher one and
There you go.
I'm gonna just join this. Whee! Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh my god. And that's good that you got a lighter car. You might want to go like a little fast.
Hey, buddy, see if you can go in. See if you can go like it from here into the hole. What? What'd you do? You got a couple sticks stuck in it, buddy.
Why?
I'm taking far away. It's pretty funny when you're like 10 sticks stuck in your truck.
Whee! I just ram it. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. It was real rough. It was worth
There you go. Yeah. I told you 5-0.
Good job.
good job. Thank you very much. Sorry.
Nice. That was cool.
Sorry.
No, I don't think
I want to go on like that side of
7-7.
Oh.
8-3.
I got the lights on.
Oh, you're gonna drain batteries fast, remember?
6-5.
Breaking it on.
44.6.
Lost that thing out.
Yeah. Oh, you got to go down that. That's the
15-7.
hardest part. I barely could even make it there.
6-3. 7-2. 6 flat. 5-6.
I'll get it.
You got him?
Taking it off anyway. Got it, right?
Yeah, I got it. Anything else?
I'm gonna change the T-plate on it. It's
12-5.
way too stiff.
Again?
Oh.
8-7.
Dad! The blue thing. Blue. The blue thing's coming out.
7-4.
I had you happen.
6-3. 6-6. 6-9.
The headlight came out.
Oh, no?
9-8.
Oh, no.
You take this thing,
I could just run over all the cars. I won.
monster truck and everybody.
Whoa, 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 watch my thing.
7-8. 6-2. 6-7.
Uh-oh.
6-4.
Oh, I fell in a hole.
10-1.
No.
Oh, you got it, dude. Try to back it up. You have him.
If I back up, it's gonna fall.
6-5.
There you go. You got it.
8-2. 5-9.
Oh yeah, because it's going around with the batteries. So you want to turn off the batteries. Oh, Sean, that also includes the T-plate you took the other day and the Traxxas 20 minutes. Okay, it also includes that. That's why it's a little more than the car. That's why I took it. No, I don't remember.
What?
The one you have?
No, the one that
Right, the one you want.
the one I want. You gotta put some money. If you get a 3 like hers, you get 1,000. If you are
What is the one you're looking at? 90? 100? What, 8? You going
it's
extreme?
105.
So you're going extreme. Right.
I went loaded. I wrapped in wheels, carbon fiber package,
Right.
all of it. And
6-8.
So that's gotta be 14.
6-1.
it's, yeah, if you put 13, if you don't, it's 14.
What's the rate then?
Yeah, that's the problem. 8% right now.
What is it?
8%.
4-7.
If these
5-9.
were normal 1%,
Right. It'd be a no-brainer.
it'd be $1,000 car.
Right.
4-9.
But no.
You know, so
20-4.
So would you look at one today or no?
yeah, well they got a blue one. I don't want blue.
25.8.
I want a pearl white, a
So
black.
you're keeping yours?
Yeah, you keep it.
I thought maybe you would have traded that. What are you gonna trade in? Nothing. So wait, you have the
Pick up.
Mustang,
Mustang is paid off.
and then you have the
It's
Tesla,
got it.
and then you're gonna get a.
They're paying me $20 grand on a trade for my bike. Yeah, but actually in the car, you got room.
Right.
You know what I mean? You got room.
5-9.
I got this.
32.8.
If you want an SUV, you get the Texan plan.
4-8.
Now we have one day to get that F-150 at 1.9% finance. Cab, base model, five and change a month, no money down. Coyote, 1.9% finance. They have to tomorrow again. That's what I was gonna do, or it goes back to whatever the rates are, and there's no, there's a $2,000 rebate,
And you and I would get friends and family X plans from me,
whatever.
which would be another 2% under anyway.
That's my plan. That's initially when I had, you guys said you were gonna buy my stuff. And you got a pickup, you already have your pickup, but then you could get rid of it. You could probably get
And it cost me 10 grand and they took it. Thing, from 60 to 100 grand. And the rate of that Coyote.
You know, he wrecked the Mustang. He bought a Grand Cherokee for like 4 or 5 grand, 07, with 49,000 miles on it, blew the rear end on the way here first day, and the power steering blew off. He sold it all. Yesterday. That's right. They'll walk in and walk right out. That deal over there.
What? 1,000?
They need to open it up.
See mine for 1,000.
They, 1,100.
What?
That was 1,100. That's 1,000. Oh, look at it.
Who's this? Is it yours?
Knobs is on the fence.
Your phone's ringing. Your phone. Remember, never let snobs touch your teeth. Never. Touch my teeth plate? No, not too many people touch my teeth plate. All the teeth plates. Oh, Christmas Eve. We have enough at the doctor's office. Prostate exam. Oh, man, you definitely got a 7-foot black guy. You're supposed to be. My doctor ended up coming in the room, Laura was in it. Because watch it happen, man. His hands are too small. This guy walks in, this guy walks in, 6'3". Oh, I was 65, I was close. This guy's hands, 50. Oh, like this, the guy's like this. And he's 2'3". Where he says, stand.
Put your shit together. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your guy Rocky from Rockside RC. Just wanted to hit you with my final thoughts on the truck. The truck doesn't do bad out the box. My wife and I wanted to do some wheels and some tires on the truck, so we went with these Enduro wheels and Proline high racks. I think they complement the truck very well. You know, what do you think, guys? Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think? So the wife was definitely satisfied after we got these wheels, you know, to basically color match what we have, or what she has basically. The truck ran, or runs actually out the box. As we all know, the SCX24s, they're pretty capable, you know. Once we put the metal wheels on the truck, I feel like it did perform better in certain ways. If anything, we may have to put a little bit more weight down low just to help with performance. And if anything, obviously we'll keep the weight forward. So worst case scenario, maybe a brass diff cover. I really don't want to weigh the truck down too much, obviously. Definitely want to try to keep the weight forward and low. But they did a beautiful job from Axial on this truck. The Basecamp, I don't know what it is, even though it's like a generic or general looking truck, looks really good, even in pink. You know, looking pretty in pink, huh? All right, well, hopefully everybody enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my test run at the shop over there, and hopefully everybody's enjoying their family, your friends, whatever RC car you have. And it's your boy Rocky from Rockside RC. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Rockside out.